Hello all. I have a new IKEA product again. So this is a door hanger named ENUDDEN. It basically looks like this. So now you have an idea what exactly it is. The box is pretty heavy. That means the product is again good, sturdy. I'll just quickly unbox this. Give you a first look of as how it looks. The box is pretty simple. Along with the product, the box is sturdy as well. I'm having hard time to spread that piece of the box. Okay, so this is the hanger. Branding again, made in China. Guys, trust me, this product is really good. I mean, I'm just saying by the weight of this product, it's pretty heavy, and it has these bolt type hooks which will look pretty amazing once set up. So this comes with these brackets which will hold these hooks in its place. So how will you be fixing this is they have screws at these two ends. You just have to open these screws, fix this here, and your product is ready to be hanged. Or this way, or this way. I'll have to see. So ideally this will be fixed in this way. This particular angle will be here and this will be here, and these holes will be screwed by these two screws. It is loose, it is removable. Good thing. I'll just show you by fixing it. It's firm. Now it's this screw stone. This has been screwed pretty tightly. I'm having a hard time to open with this particular screwdriver what I have right now at the moment, although I have showed you how it is going to be hooked. So actually this should be like this, and as soon as I'll manage to open this one, I'll fix this and this product will be at its place. I'm sorry guys, I couldn't open this in this video and show you. I'm pretty new to YouTube. I don't have a proper setup yet. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you.